Hey guys, in this video I will show you all ice cream recipes that you can get in Grow a Garden. So today we will get a first option on uncommon, that is basically one corn and one blueberry. As you can see, there is one corn, one strawberry for uncommon. For legendary, there is two bananas, and second option, one banana lingo berry. For mythical, one sugar apple, one banana, and sugar apple and corn. For divine, these ingredients and prismatics as well. These, I believe the website in the description below, so you can easily check it. And to cook it, all you need to do here is to go to near in the middle of your area, and then you just need to basically go near to the pot and then pull out your blueberry and corn. So corn, select corn, and then submit plant, and then in my case it's blueberry, and also I can submit the plant here, and then I just need to press exit backpack, and I just need to press cook. As you can see here, and in 6 minutes I get my ice cream. And when the time have passed, you just need to go to near the pot and get ice cream here, and ice cream will be in your inventory. So if I look for ice cream here, as you can see here, now I have an ice cream. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more.